In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make any Notion page full page, also known as full width, so you can take advantage of the entire screen and make your workspace feel cleaner and more powerful. This is one of those small Notion tweaks that makes a huge difference, especially if you're working with databases, tables, dashboards, or wide layouts. If you're new to Notion, or you've been using it for a while and somehow missed this feature, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable full page mode in just a few clicks. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tips and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and go to any page where you want to enable full width. This can be a brand new page, an existing note, a project page, or even a dashboard you're already working on. It doesn't matter what type of content is on the page because this setting works on all Notion pages. Once the page is open, take a moment to look at the layout. By default, Notion pages are centered and have margins on both sides, which can feel a bit cramped, especially on larger screens. Now move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. You'll see three dots, sometimes called the page menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens the Page Settings menu, where Notion keeps several important layout and customization options. In this menu, look for an option called Full Width. By default, this option is turned off. Simply click on Full Width to enable it. As soon as you do that, you'll notice the page instantly expands to use the full width of your screen. Your content now has more space, and everything feels more open and easier to work with. That's literally all it takes to make a Notion page full page. Now let me share a few quick tips so you get the most out of this feature. Full width mode is especially useful if you're using tables, boards, calendars, or multi-column layouts. If you've ever felt like your table columns were too squished or your dashboard looked crowded, enabling full width can completely fix that problem. Another important thing to know is that full width is a per-page setting. That means turning it on for one page won't automatically turn it on for all your other pages. If you want multiple pages to be full width, you'll need to repeat these same steps on each page. The good news is, it only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. Also, if you ever decide you don't like the full width layout, you can easily turn it off. Just go back to the three-dot menu and click full width again to disable it. Notion will instantly return the page to its default centered layout. This makes it easy to experiment and see what works best for your workflow. One more tip is that full width works great alongside columns. If you drag blocks side by side to create columns, full width gives you much more horizontal space to design clean and professional-looking pages. This is why many advanced Notion dashboards almost always use full width mode. And that's it. You now know how to make a Notion page full page in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.